there, friends and adventurers. As you can see behind me, and from the introduction and thumbnail, Terra, my 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, is getting a makeover. We are bringing her from bright, colorful, happy, fun, all very good things, but instead we are going to be taking her into zen, calm, healing, spa-like serenity. This is going to become kind of like a sanctuary. So a little sneak peek at what's to come. I did get the new bedding in, but let's get right into this transformation, shall we? First things first, though, I'm going to use my free and clear compostable food and pet and kid safe compostable wipes to give Terra a good wipe down. Side note, I swear my neighbors are getting UPS delivered every day. I'm so jealous of them. Whew. Anywho, yeah, it's been, I would like to not admit how long it's been since I've given Terra a good deep cleaning. It could have been since the last video I posted where I did it. I mean, of course I've cleaned her some since then. I'm not a monster, but it has been a good minute since she's had a good, nice clean inside and out. So I am sure she is appreciating this just as much as I am right now. All right, as you can see, we are already making progress. Now, while I finish giving her a good wipe down and cleaning, we are going to take a look at past Heather because she got a head start on us with a butterfly project. We had to do a little bit of surgery on our butterfly installation, so let's see how that went. All right, the first thing we're going to do before changing anything up is a quick little project to replace the couple of butterflies that have fallen off. You can see there's a big gap right there, and you can see where a big one fell off right there. So we are going to use some Velcro tabs real quick to put those back up and hope that they hold. Okay, so here are our two fallen angels, or rather butterflies. And hopefully this is our solution. All right. This one right here is drooping, so I'm gonna preemptively do that one. I don't know which side is gonna work for it, so. All right, not that one. I was hoping I could get away with just doing one side over the other, but I'm gonna have to do both. All right, where'd I put my scissors? I'm a hot mess, y'all. I mean, it definitely sticks, so we'll see if it holds in the heat. Might as well go for two. All right, the next one that needs replaced is this one. So we're gonna use an entire circle. All right, I'll get that one in place. Working like a charm, looks good. So the last one's gonna go here. All right, last one is ready. Let's do it. All right, now that we have mostly finished cleaning up the inside and have gotten the new bedding in, I want to give you a closer look at that. Before we start to incorporate anything else. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and position the salt lamp string lights. I'm thinking I'm just going to do them along this back third because I always keep these window covers in place, and then that way I don't have to worry about people seeing them from the outside if I choose to keep them in place all the time. But isn't she pretty already? Still goes with my sunflower blanket, which is my favorite. One last thing I want to show you here before we start putting those lights in is a nifty little tool you guys have asked me about when it comes to cleaning the carpet, since car upholstery is much harder to vacuum and clean up. So let's show you this again. This is something I literally get asked about more than anything else in my rig, and I think it's so funny because it is such an affordable tool, but it is such a game changer. All right, let's take a look at this one spot here that I left uncleaned up, and I'm going to show you what it does. And then I can come in at the end and just sweep up that last little clump. Look at that. So much better. Before we head into the back, I also wanted to show you this little sticky pad that I just installed. It's perfect for if I need to like set my key down for a second or my phone. It won't slide around or come off. It'll stay right there. New pillow to store my packing cubes of clothes or jammies or bedding or whatever. Same with that one, more storage. Plus I want the pink to match my pink fridge. All right, now let's tackle these bad boys. Oh, they're so pretty. And they are USB, so I don't have to keep replacing batteries. All right, we're hoping between this and the little lip here that I stick my string lights in sometimes that we'll be able to securely hold these up, which took quite a bit of untangling, if I may add. And they are a little bit heavier than my existing string lights, so let's see how this goes. What I'm using so far that seems to be working is a combination of tucking it in here and these upholstery pins right here. Moment of truth. Woohoo! Let there be light. All right, I'm going to see how these hold up. I might need to fix them in there a little more permanently, but I just want to kind of get everything set up first and see how it is. Okay, don't judge me, but I had to turn the car on so that I could use the AC because it is hot out here. It's like 90 something in Florida this week, and the humidity is about the same, so we're getting reintroduced to summer real fast here. I do want to introduce some more greenery into Terra. I haven't decided exactly where and how I want to incorporate it yet. I'm thinking kind of along the same lines as where the lights are and just make just that area kind of the focal point. I don't want to overwhelm the space by having it everywhere. So I'm going to play around with it for a little bit, and then I'm just going to show you the finished product. If I can't find a setup that I really like, I'm just going to scrap it for now and marinate on it. But if I like the outcome, I'll show that to you next. All right, be honest, but be nice. Oops, hold on, there's some of my spare leaves I took off. What do you think? Yes, no, do we like it? What do you think? Let me know down below. Ignore my hair, please. Sheesh. All right, I'm not going to complain because I want to keep all the hair that I have right now. And now that I have alopecia, I am never going to complain about it being in my way again. These are just some backup lights that I got that came with the other ones. And these are itty bitty string lights that came with the Greenery. I think, let me know what you think. I might use one set of these itty bitty string lights and kind of lace them through my butterfly installation. I just don't know how I'll mount the battery packs yet. But if I can think of a good way to do that, let me know if you think that would be a cool enhancement to the butterflies or if I'm just going overboard now. Okay, and now it is time for me to bring in the rest of my decor, my secondary lighting, and all of the little cozy odds and ends that add home to the space. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I don't think my words are working properly, but you get it. I am going to go grab the rest of the stuff I got to incorporate into this new spa sanctuary, and I'll show you the final product. So I will BRB. All right, she's all ready. We've got the pink fridge that matches the pink pillow. As you can see, we've got mushrooms and plants and all kinds of growing things in here for the theme. My adorable new little mushroom lamp. My first singing bowl. My new lantern. So what do you guys think? Okay, be honest. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I personally, though, am thrilled. I love the new look. It feels calmer already in here. What do you think? Do you like the new vibe? Did you like the old look better? Let me know which your favorite is below. I know which one mine is. Anyways, thanks for coming along with me on this journey. I do think that this will incorporate nicely into my two-person setup that is coming. So make sure that you're subscribed and stay tuned for that.